Hello everyone. Let us try to understand today the default value of the uninitialized variables. So here's the example of the top module in which we have this scenario 1. This is the scenario 1 in which we have a, b, these two variables initialized, but select is not initialized. So by default, if we do not give anything, if we do not initialize, the default value will be taken as x. But if we want to initialize this with 0 or 1, meaning not only this variable but all the variables which are uninitialized, if you want to initialize with some different value, then there is a switch in the xrun cadence tool to initialize it. So here let us see, this select is currently not initialized. So let us run the simulation xrun -64 top.sv xs plus rw. Okay, so let me open the waves. So in this top module we have this a, b, these two values are initialized, select is not initialized, so it will have x value. Later on we are assigning one value to it, so that is why this has one value, but initially it is x. Now similarly in this example you can see the load and signal is also not initialized, and here also we can see load and is x. Right, now if you want to initialize with different value, then we just have to apply the switch -nc initialize with 0. So now let us reload the waves. So now you can see initial value of these two signals are 0. If we want to initialize with a different let's say 1, then we can just give nc initialize and 1, and it will initialize this with a 1 value. Now if we want to initialize with the x, means by default it is x, but if we want to give x, then we can give it via this way. And the fourth is z, so if you run with z, then initial value will be z. Okay, thank you very much.